How to create Facebook ads for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can create Facebook ads for beginners. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to create Facebook ads for beginners, now creating a Facebook ad is also quite simple. Either you can already boost an already existing post and then run it as an ad. Now for this, I'm not going to use my personal account. Let's say you have a certain page and that you have a post inside that page that you would like to run an ad for. So you open up your profile page here, you search for a particular post on which you want to boost an ad, and right here you'll find that particular post. Right under that post, if you look over here, you'll find the option called boost a post. So all you have to do is tap on boost a post option, go about entering the other details as to what are the posts that you might want to boost over here, and only some of the eligible posts are actually available. You cannot boost all of the posts, but only some of the eligible posts, and after that you should be able to enter your payment details, fill in other details, and run ads on Facebook. This way you can go ahead and then basically create Facebook ads for beginners. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.